Today in front of me Huawei Mate 20 Lite, and I'll show you how to customize always on display mode on this device. We'll do this with the help of the Muviz Edge application. So now we'll just go here into the app. Here we got the applies the lines. We can just change them. Also we can set the another, so these slides you will see when you'll just see the you'll listen the music. For example, we can go with this always on display theme, and here just now you can customize your always on display mode by tap on the settings on the right upper corner, and here to the always on display mode. Here you can change the shown on your screen lock, the always on display mode. We got the always. We can change to the while charging, or only when you will just play the music on your device. We'll stay with the always one. Here we got the timeout of our always on display mode. We can change it by swap this dot to the left or to the right side. For example, we'll stay with the 30 minutes. Also, we can change here the brightness level of our always on display mode. We can also just close the always on display by single or by double tap on the screen. Here also can enable on all these options to show the notifications, the music which playing, or the fingerprint by just tap once here on these switchers. Here also we get the option to show our music details, to hide there after 60 seconds, 30, or just 10 seconds. Also here we can just turn on or turn off to show the date, and the battery status to show always only while our device charging, or for example never. We'll stay with the always. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.